Hello. Today I'm working on my Ryobi pressure washer. It's got the 212cc gas engine, which is basically a run-of-the-mill engine, and always had problems with the pull start on it, and it just recently grenaded, and it just wasn't worth trying to piece all this back together. It wasn't recoiling, and the starter cord snapped again. So I just went with the path of least resistance and went on Amazon, and I got this. Fits a number of different models, so let's see how it lines up. Came with this. It's complete. Nice cord on it. Also came with a spare piece to go on the flywheel there. So let's see how it bolts up. So it was kind of like that. So you pull it up. So it looks like that hole matches, so does this one, and is that one down there? Okay, now we got everything matching. There's only 3 of these. Maybe that's all you really need to hold it in. So we'll just pick the 3 that probably the most spaced out. So this didn't have any threads in it. That one did, and that one did, and that one did too. So I think that should be enough. So let's see how it feels. Well, that looks pretty good to me. It got really good reviews, so let's hope that it holds up. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Take care. Thank you for watching. Bye.